Namaskar. Supreme Court of India will hear a plea on 2nd June 2020. The plea has been made by a Delhi-based man who has given a plea on at Supreme Court, and the plea says replacing the word Indian, the English word India with Bharat means it was a plea given by a Delhi-based man at Supreme Court requesting the change of the English word India to Bharat or Hindustan. The plea, which has been also in the plea, it also sets it says that it give direction to the they give direction to the center to amend the constitution replacement word through the amendment of constitution to replace the word India to Bharat or Hindustan, which will give the as per the plea, which will give, if the name changes to Bharat or Hindustan, then it will give the pride of the own nationality, or you will have some national feeling if you get the if you call our country as a Bharat or Hindustan, as per the plea. And the plea also said that if the word is replaced by from India to Bharat, so it will have it will justify, or it will give pride, or it will be giving a tribute, you can say, to our ancestor who has fought or gave their life for freedom of India. So yes, we know that the word the Bharat, Bharatiya, Hindustan, these were very much there, and we often speak about this. And before independence also we used to call that Bharatiya, Hindustan, and so that he wants to say. And the plea said that the government should take an appropriate and bring some amendment in Article 1, Constitution of Article 1, which says the name, which says the name of which deals with the name and territory of the Union of Effort. So in the sense, in Article the plea is saying to the government to make some amendment in Article 1, which Article 1 of Constitution of Article 1 deals with change of deals with the names, which Article 1 deals with the name and territory of the place. So he also said in 1948, when the constitution was drafted, that time there was a debate on Article 1, and there was a strong wave or was strong way that he wants to say that point of time in 1948 people wants to call India as a Bharat or Hindustan at 1948 it is mentioned. So we have seen similar type of plea in 2015 also. So again such kind of plea has come to Supreme Court for changing the name from India to Bharat or Hindustan, which Supreme Court will hear on 2nd June 2020. Now what I might take is that yes, the Bharat or Hindustan gives the feel of nationality, and people we talk about yes, we are Bharatiya and all, etc. But if you keep the name India, or if you keep of the Supreme Court changes to Bharat or Hindustan, whatever it is, the feeling of nationality, I don't think will come only from the country's name. Every individual of every citizen should say first that he or she is a citizen of the country. He should be proud, or she should be proud of called themselves Indian or Bharatiya or Hindustani, whatever it is. But in India, I see, as we know, we don't have a national language, and we are a very big country with a number of states, and people have speak number of languages. People still say keep their state first. For example, one day I was speaking with one of my friend in Bangalore. And there's a problem of Veer Savarkar's they flyover I was speaking with him, and that guy, an educated guy, was calling himself a Kannadi first. Means that person says that he is Canadian, means first, then an Indian. For example, I one day if a Bengali say ke, I am Bengali first, then I am an Indian or a Bharatiya. So this kind of feeling is there. Every state of India and the people staying in that individual state call themselves as their first Uriya, their first Bengali, their first Assami, their first Canadian, their first Keralian, then come the country. So if these things happen, individual state, individual people say, okay, no, I represent the state first, then the country, then the feeling of nationality or the feeling of togetherness will not come. Changing of name, that case will be taken care by the Supreme Court. But every individual, according to me, should say that I am Indian first, or Bharatiya first, or Hindustani first, then come your state. If you are going outside India, you are representing a country called India. You are not representing a state. Like for example, if I go to outside India, I will be called Indian. I will not be called, oh, you are West Bengal or you are Bengali. No. So I feel the matter of the change of name from India to Bharat, that will come to on 2nd June at Supreme Court. Supreme Court will take a call on this. In the 2015 also we have seen such cases. But if the people of India does not keep India first, then the feeling of nationality, or you can say the togetherness, will not be shown. Because changing name is different, and thought process or the feeling of to feel that I am a proud citizen of the country, and I keep my country first in every circumstances, whatever it may be the reason. I keep my country first. That has to be the attitude of the citizen of India. Togetherness has to be citizen. Changing your name and all, okay, fine, that I can do. But togetherness, whatever may the situation, country first, then come state, then come my motherland. Nobody is bigger than the country. Nobody is bigger than country. So let's see what happened on 2nd June, whether Supreme Court reject the plea. Let's keep don't change the name from India to Bharat or not. That we need to see on 2nd June 2020. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you very much.